Hello students, welcome to English grammar lesson. Today's topic is the present perfect tense and the present perfect continuous tense. This is chapter number 2 from our textbook Enjoying Grammar. Let's revise this chapter by taking a small revision test. First, let's recall about what is present perfect tense. In the previous videos of present perfect tense, I have shared some of the pattern which tells us that how to make positive, negative and interrogative sentence. Let's revise these patterns once again. For positive or affirmative sentence, the pattern is subject plus has or have plus past participle form of the verb, which is also called third form of the verb, plus object. For negative sentences, subject plus hasn't or haven't plus past participle form of the verb plus object. For interrogative or question sentences, the pattern is has or have plus subject plus past participle form of the verb plus object and the question mark in the end. Now I am going to ask 10 questions with 4 options. You have to guess the correct one in 5 seconds. After 5 seconds, I will tell my answer. You just check your answer and note down your score and comment it in the comment box. Let's start. Question number 1. I not work dash today. Options are have not worked, have not worked, has not worked, has not worked. So the answer is I have not worked today. Option A is correct. Now question number 2. We buy a new lamp. Options are have buy, has bought, have bought, had bought. Answer is we have bought a new lamp. Option C is correct. Question number 3 is we not plan dash our holidays yet. Options are have planned, have not planned, has not planned, have not planned. Answer is we have not planned our holidays yet. Option B is correct. Question number 4 is where be you question mark. Options are have you was, have you been, have you be, has you been. Answer is where have you been. Option B is correct. Question number 5 is he write dash 5 letters. Options are has wrote, have written, has write, has written. Answer is he has written 5 letters. Option D is correct. Question 6 is she not see dash him for a long time. Options are has not seen, have not seen, have not seen, has not saw. Answer is she has not seen him for a long time. Option A is correct. Question number 7 is be you dash at school question mark. Options are have you be, was you be, has you been, have you been. Answer is have you been at school. Option D is correct. Question number 8 is school not start dash yet. Options are was started, has not started, has not start, have not started. Answer is school has not started yet. Option B is correct. Question number 9 is speak he dash to his boss. Options are has he speak, has he spoke, has he spoken, have he spoken. Answer is has he spoken to his boss. Option C is correct. Now question number 10 is no, he have not dash the time yet. Options are has not have not had, has not had, wasn't have. Answer is no, he has not had the time yet. Option C is correct. Before proceeding toward the present perfect continuous tense test, let's recall about present perfect continuous tense. For making positive sentences, the pattern is subject plus has have plus been plus past participle form of the verb, that is third form of the verb, plus object. For making negative sentences, we simply follow this pattern: subject plus has have plus not been plus past participle form of the verb plus object. For interrogative sentences, we use has have plus subject plus been plus past participle form of verb plus object plus question mark. As we all know that for making present perfect continuous tense sentences, we use since and for. So let's revise where we use since and for in the sentences. We use since where we are denoting some point of time in the sentence, and we use for denoting a period of time. Now let's start the test for present perfect continuous tense. In the given sentences, you have to use the correct form of present perfect continuous tense. Now the question number 1 is, we study dash English for 2 years. Options are have been studying, has been studying, have been study, has been study. Answer is we have been studying English for 2 years. Option A is correct. Now question 2 is, he teach dash in the school for several years. Options are have been teaching, has been teaching, have been teach, has been teach. Answer is he has been teaching in the school for several years. Option B is correct. Now question number 3 is, I live dash in this flat since 2000. Options are have been live, has been live, have been living, has been living. Answer is I have been living in this flat since 2000. Option C is correct. Question number 4 is, it rained dash for 3 hours. Have been rain, have been raining, has been rain, has been raining. Answer is it has been raining for 3 hours. Option D is correct. Now question number 5 is, they work for 7 hours. Options are has been working, have been working, has been work, have been work. Answer is they have been working for 7 hours. Option B is correct. Now from question number 6 to 10, there are the fill in the blanks in which you have to use since or for. So question number 6 is, he has been here dash last Monday. Option is since or for. Answer is, he has been here since last Monday. Option A is correct. Question number 7 is, she has been on phone dash 20 minutes. Options are since or for. Answer is, she has been on the phone for 20 minutes. Option B is correct. Question number 8 is, I have been in this town dash 1967. Options are since or for. Answer is, I have been in this town since 1967. Option A is correct. Question number 9 is, you have been married dash 6 years. Options are since or for. Answer is, you have been married for 6 years. Option B is correct. Now the last question. Question number 10. Raman has been on holiday dash last Friday. Options are since or for. The correct answer is, Raman has been on holiday since last Friday. Option A is correct. That's all for today. I hope you all enjoyed it a lot, and note down your score and comment it in the comment box. Thank you very much. Stay home, stay safe.